Meme coins move insanely fast. Blink and you'll miss it. 1 minute everything's skyrocketing, the next it's falling off a cliff. I've watched that cycle repeat countless times. And yeah, I've taken some hits myself. But each dip taught me valuable lessons and helped me build a system that actually works over time. In this video, I'm breaking that down for you, so you can skip the painful learning curve and start making smarter moves faster. My results changed completely once I stopped treating meme coins as quick money schemes and started viewing them like real ventures that require time, consistency, and discipline. That mindset shift changed everything, and the payoff was massive. These days, I mainly focus on new launches. Like many others, I started on Pump.Fun. It's the go-to spot for beginners, but it's not what it used to be. Competition is brutal now, and just showing up isn't enough. Even with a solid strategy, luck still plays a big role, and losing streaks are part of the process. After spending plenty of time in the chaos of Pump.Fun, I realized I needed something with better balance. And that's what led me to Raydium. It quickly became my main hub. The interface is smoother, the pace calmer, and the vibe feels built for consistent, steady growth instead of quick flips. While Pump.Fun floods the market with endless token launches, Raydium takes a slower, more selective route. Only a few new tokens drop every minute, giving each one space to breathe, grow, and gain traction. I tested a bunch of tools before finally settling on bitlixol.com, by far the simplest and most reliable shortcut for launches on Raydium. It handles the back end automatically, so there's no coding or confusing setup required. You can complete a launch in just a few clicks. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish. Ready? Let's dive in. First step, its logo. Let's launch Canva. A common mistake that kills early engagement is skipping the logo. Your logo is your handshake. It's what makes people click. If it's boring or missing, your project loses appeal instantly. Choose something that stands out. Bold colors, clean design, and clear character. If you're out of ideas, browse social media for trending memes. They'll spark creativity fast. For this demo, I'm using a Pokeball since Pokemon is hot right now with the new game release. Perfect for visibility. Resize it to 128 by 128 pixels and save it. Once your logo's ready, it's time to launch. The process is super straightforward. Connect your wallet, approve the pop-up, and you're nearly there. Next, you'll fill in 4 details: name, ticker, short description, logo. In this example, I'm calling it Pokemon Coin with PKMN symbol. Don't skip the description. It's your pitch. Make it fun, catchy, or clever. Upload your logo and continue. Then comes tokenomics. It might look complex, but don't worry. It's already preset for you. The default config works great, so you can leave everything as is and just click Next. Before launching, it's crucial to configure your revoke authorities properly. They act as security locks for your smart contract once it's deployed. Revoke freeze ensures trading can't be stopped. Revoke mint prevents new tokens from being printed. Revoke update stops any further contract edits. Leaving these unchecked can raise red flags. To show transparency and build trust, enable all 3 before launching. Click Launch, approve the wallet transaction, and let the blockchain do its thing. Your token goes live in seconds. Always verify on Solscan afterward. It takes a minute and makes your project look professional and trustworthy. Once it appears there, your token is officially active and recorded on-chain. Now that your token exists, you need to add liquidity, the foundation of all trading activity. Without liquidity, no one can buy or sell. Head back to the bitlixol and follow along. Click Create Liquidity button and you'll be redirected to Raydium. Step 1. Connect your wallet using your preferred provider. Step 2. Import your token by copying the contract address from bitlixol, pasting it into Raydium's token field, and confirming the info. Step 3. Add your token to the list. For this demo, I'm adding 900 million out of 1 billion tokens to the pool. Now choose your quote token, the asset paired with yours. On Raydium, SOL is the most common choice. It's liquid, stable, and heavily traded. Set how much liquidity you want to add. The more, the better your token's price stability and visibility. I usually go max, keeping about 0.2 SOL aside for fees. Next, pick your fee tier. I stick to 2%, which consistently delivers strong results. Other rates exist, but this one's proven most reliable. Click Initialized Liquidity Pool, approve in your wallet, and your token becomes tradable instantly. Once the pool is live, your token is instantly available on Photon, and that's when the action starts. To track performance, open DexScreener. It's user-friendly, real-time, and ideal for new tokens. Here's how. Set the filter to Solana tokens. Open any random Raydium chart. Paste your contract address from bit.ly into the URL bar. Your data loads instantly. Keep an eye on the liquidity and volume sections. This is where most activity happens. Also note that bots trade constantly, so not every move is human. Check your portfolio on Raydium to view your tokens and LP positions. That's also where you can monitor profits before withdrawing. If your positions don't show immediately, don't worry. They usually appear within 10 to 15 minutes. Watch this time lapse of the launch. By the way, while bots and real people buying the coin, here are the giveaway winner from a previous video. If you want to win Solana too, join Telegram group and pinned comment. Since your profits are tied to liquidity, watching your Raydium positions is key. Once they appear, you'll know it's time for the next step. The final step is simple. Go to Raydium's liquidity section, select your LP position, and hit the minus icon. Slide it to 100%. Ignore the small estimates above. Focus on your SOL value. When it looks right, click Remove Liquidity and approve the wallet transaction. Once complete, your earnings flow directly into your wallet. Give it a moment to sync. You'll see everything update instantly. In this example, profits came to about 10%. That might sound small, but repeating it multiple times a day adds up fast. To wrap up, this video is purely educational. I'm not affiliated with Photon, bit.ly, DexScreener, or any of the platforms mentioned. I'm simply showing the steps I personally use when launching tokens. Still, it's a fun process. And if it feels right for you, now's a great time to explore it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay tuned for more meme coin launch guides.